Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems, an Elephant and Piggie book.
Hey friends, before we begin our exciting read aloud story, please subscribe to our channel by tapping the subscribe button below. Thanks and
keep reading!
Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald? What do you want to do today?
I want
Yes?
a
A what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
chew.
Are you okay?
I do not know. Chew. I cannot stop chew. Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze?
Huh?
Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald!
No, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye.
Gerald!
Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick! Oh, thank you, Doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold!
Good for you! Elephant and Piggie have more funny adventures in Today I Will Fly, My Friend is Sad, I'm Invited to a Party, There is a Bird on Your Head, I love my new toy. I will surprise my friend. Are you ready to play outside? Watch me throw the ball. And elephants cannot dance.
All these books are available on Awesomeville. Find the links to these books in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and special thanks to Mo Willems. He is a #1 New York Times bestseller author and illustrator. There's nothing like reading a real book. You can grab a copy of this book from your local library, or you can buy one online or in store. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the big red subscribe button below, and check out more fun stories on our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our video with friends and family. You can give us feedback on our Facebook page so we know what you're liking and we continue to bring you more and more and more awesome read aloud stories.
Keep reading.
The end.